Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Is here with us all the way from Bulgaria. With us the entire cast and crew of the film. However, please face the red carpet. And very shortly we'll be having with us the entire team, since this is the world premiere of Axis of Life, directed by Atanas Christopher, along with the producers, Mr. Khalid Kalinov and Victor Francis, okay, with us. Please step forward. Yes, we do. It's a happy family and a big family, I believe. First of all, congratulations. We also have with us the Honorable Ambassador of Bulgaria, Dr. Nicolae Yankov, PhD. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion, and of course the entire team of the film Axis of Life. We are celebrating the world premiere of the film here at the 56th International Film Festival of India here in Goa. First of all, with the captain of the ship himself, how does it feel to be here, sir?
I really love it. I must say one thing. For me, this film began from India, from my first visit to India 5 years ago. And I think this is the place for this film to be born for the world audience. So I really feel grateful and thankful to this journey. And it's going to be in your hands now. It's not no more in my hands.
Fantastic. We see all the emotions coming through. A word from the producer, sir. What do you think is the importance of a platform like IFFI for a global audience and for a film like Axis of Life?
Actually, this festival is probably one of the best festivals around the world. But for us, it has even more special feeling and more special meaning, because we are embarking into a difficult territory, which is the universal spirituality. So our movie does not speak about any particular religion, but it's rather tries to show that every human being has its connection to the Supreme. Okay, what's the better place than India? Who is the mother of all spiritual teachings? So this is why for us Goa has a very, very special place in India.
Fantastic. A few words from you. Like he said, that India is the mother of spirituality. We have so many religions, so many religious beliefs, and of course spirituality is of extreme importance here. What do you think is the film? What is the theme of the film, and how do you think it will relate to the Indian audience and the global audience?
The film is a journey, and I think that the Indian and the world audience give it a chance. Just sit back, relax, and try to follow this journey along with our wonderful cast over here. I think they will enjoy very much.
Fantastic. So, first of all, thank you for bringing this film to us. Thank you so much for being here. A few words from your side. How are you feeling with the entire team who's come all the way from Bulgaria?
What do you think? How do I feel? Well, for the last 2 years since I'm ambassador of Bulgaria to India, this is the happiest moment in my life. I thank very much for the organizers who invited me. On behalf of the Bulgarian government, I would like to congratulate the entire crew here, everybody who is in front of you, because this is for the first time Bulgarian movie is reaching this huge, important festival. So I wish them a big success, not only today, the premiere, but also in the future. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, sir. Anyone of you want to add something special, some moment that you would like to share about the movie while shooting the film? Anything, any incident, any happy moment?
Yes, but if I told you about that, I would spoil something. You have to see it for yourself. But being a Danish man, this has been the most incredible experience for me. And going deep into this matter with an international crew, with a wonderful director, and a wonderful producer, and wonderful co-actors, it has been the moment of my life. So I'm looking very much.
Celebrating the moments of everyone's life today in Goa.
For me, I am very honored to be here and share this important event here in Panaji with all my friends. And I am very happy and come true. Thank you.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop Number 2 Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop Number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.